Hey, this is Mateo with YouTubeCreatorAI.com. I'm going to show you how I use my tool here to create YouTube titles. Let's say, for example, you're a lifestyle channel and you want to do my morning skincare routine. So let's say you have a video about that you want that you already completed and you want to get a great title for it. So let's go ahead and generate titles. And why this is waiting, let's talk about titles and what this tool does is for YouTube, it's very important to have an optimized title, especially as a new creator. You know, if you just title the video my skincare routine just like this, you may get a few search people that may be looking for your overall video. But as a new creator, you have to have some titles that are going to get people to search and to watch. So my 2026 morning skincare routine for glowing skin. So we can save that simple morning skincare, my 2026 barrier boosting ritual. I transform my skin. So these are all some great titles for your next YouTube video. This 3-step routine changed my mornings. You're missing this. This would be a great title for a vlog here as well. So you can put any topic or title here. Let's say the best computer under $500. So let's say you're doing a video about this particular topic. You can just put in some keywords, what your video is about, and generate a title here. Any of these titles you can save for later. They're all going to come to your video titles here in your scratch pad that you can simply copy and paste onto your YouTube video. Or they'll come and save down to another scratch pad where you can export on your computer as well. So these titles are going to be already optimized and everything for you. You just want to choose the one that best meets your particular video, and then if you have the option with YouTube, you can choose some of the 3 best titles that you like as well. So best computers under $500 in 2026, don't buy a cheap computer, the best laptops. So these are all going to be some great titles here for your next YouTube video. The $4.99 computer secret they don't want you to know. And each of these titles is going to give you an idea of why this is a great title, a tip that you can use for some of your other parts of your video, and then a competitive analysis as well. Let's say you're a gamer and do my Fortnite gameplay stream. Right? I don't know anything about Fortnite, so I'm just going to do a few titles here. Let's generate titles and see what it comes up with. You can do this for your long form or your shorts. We're just doing titles, but you can use this for descriptions and keywords as well. Once again, be a little bit patient. It's going to take about 30 to 45 seconds, but this once again is going to give you all the optimized titles that you need for your next YouTube video. If you run any snags where it's taken a little bit longer, you can simply refresh the screen or just run it again. So my first chapter 7 season 2 Fortnite win. So this is a little bit more specific here. Live Fortnite stream reacting to new One Piece collab. No build Fortnite, my craziest clutch moment showdown. So these are all some great titles. So once again, you can choose any of these, and these are all a great length. These are all optimized for mobile TV. These are going to have a little mix of SEO and some curiosity. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. Just put in your topic or a few keywords. You're gonna get some great titles. Any of these titles that you like, once again, you can simply copy and paste them, or you could export all these and just have them saved on your computer. So this is a mix of the skincare ones that we ran, and then the best computers. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI.